everyone, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So working on here because Ryan left to a different job site, so I just went ahead and finished out this unit by myself today. All the wire was already pulled, just making everything up. Finished making up this panel, landed all the wires, strapped it down, and then went ahead, and the only thing I have left to do is put the mud rings on. So I got those all laid out. Actually ran out of some of them, so have to order some more 5/8 and 3/4, some like for this front door right here. But everything else is done. Got everything made up and strapped down, so that's looking good. Coworker went around and put in some temporary plugs, I believe, and also the vanity plug that I was telling you about for the lighted mirror. He went around and put all those up with the coil of wire that we've been leaving for those. So he mounted the spreader bar, boxes, mud rings, all that good stuff. But I think that's pretty much it. I will talk to you some more after this video, I think, but for the most part, just landing all the wires in the boxes, making up the boxes if need be, and that's it. Other than that, someone walked into the room, so I'm just going to switch over to voiceover, but there's also a few coils up in the living room and bedroom for when they put in the giant windows, so leaving some coils of wires for that. And then lastly, moved over the data on the right side from the left. Here you'll see in a second, out of that plug box right there, tapped off of the last plug right here. And that pretty much wraps up this unit. Just like I said, have to put the mud rings on, and then I'll be starting another room tomorrow. So that should do it. All right, guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and subscribe. It would really help out the channel, and I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you all for the support over the last 4 or 5 days. The channel has literally doubled. My views are usually around 4,000, and it's over 8,000 right now. A lot of that has to do with YouTube pushing out some of my older videos, which I'm super thankful for. But thank you for everyone who is watching and subscribing. Drop me a comment if you're a new subscriber. I'd love to say thank you. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thank you for everyone who's been tuning into the live streams. It's been fun. If not, you're missing out on some extra fun things. But I also have another video that I'm going to be making, I have a whole bunch of video ideas coming up, so stay tuned. I'm probably going to drop another video here shortly asking you guys for Q&A. I'm going to meet up with someone, so I'm going to do that. So anyways, that should do it. Had a really good day. It was about 50 degrees. It was super warm. It was a really great day. Besides, I feel a little bit sludgy right now just because I ate a whole bunch of chips at lunchtime, but other than that, it was really great. A bunch of my coworkers found out that everyone found out that I am leaving to the union here soon, so everyone was super nice to me and said they're gonna miss me, so I feel loved more than ever. But anyways, that should do it. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Stay tuned. Peace out. And one last thing I forgot to mention, if you guys need any art or anything like that, my friend made me a new display picture some of you guys have seen, and also a banner for my YouTube profile. Might change up the banner a little bit, but I love the picture that my friend drew me for my display picture. I think he hand drew that, I believe. So anyways, he's super talented. If you guys need anything, drop him a message on Instagram, which is down below at the bottom of the description, which is at sword_and_inc. And then also has a Facebook link in the description as well, right below that, which I can't remember off the top of my head. So check it out if you need anything. All right, guys, thanks so much. God bless. Peace.